Now, I cannot imagine the difficulty families are facing as this pandemic continues. We believe so strongly that children need to be in school, that they are essential to the mental and physical health of a child and to their academic success. We have been cautious throughout this pandemic, and we've pivoted when required to ensure we protect our schools, our communities, and our collective progress as we work together to get kids back to school and our lives back on track. As you know, elementary and secondary students across Ontario will return to in-person learning on January 17th with strong protections in place, fully supported by Ontario's Chief Medical Officer of Health. The Ontario Children's Health Coalition, representing SickKids and CHEO and all pediatric hospitals, have endorsed the return to class. For students, this means that they can return to a classroom where they can learn alongside their peers, led by their teachers. Now, Ontario's plan to open and protect schools is focused on deploying millions of rapid tests to our schools and our childcare centers, enhancing ventilation and high quality PPE, along with increasing access to vaccines for both children on a voluntary basis and staff. And as an additional measure, amid the highly transmissible Omicron variant beginning the week of January 17th, I am announcing that rapid antigen tests will be provided for schools in childcare and public schools, children in childcare settings, and students in public elementary schools. Staff and students will receive 2 tests each as an initial supply, with over 3.9 million rapid tests shipped to schools as we speak, ready for January 17th. These tests are for use when symptomatic, as outlined in the updated school and childcare screener that has been strengthened. We will continue to expand access to rapid antigen tests for parents, for students, and staff. And these tests will be made available for students in public secondary schools on a need basis. And more tests will be available in the coming weeks so that we can help limit the spread of COVID in our learning environments. This will build on the more than 11 million rapid antigen tests Ontario sent home with all children in publicly funded schools and private schools ahead of the Christmas break, the only province to do so on a proactive basis to reduce risk.